Here is another video on lemongrass that I've mentioned in the other lemongrass video. It's lemongrass leaf tea. This is Melanie and welcome to another episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy this video and subscribe if you haven't. I am bringing about 4 cups of water to boil. And add in a few lemongrass leaves. I have some fresh lemongrass leaves here, but in the winter I will be using dried leaves. This is my homegrown lemongrass, so fresh. I just harvested and made a video on how I've processed it, so check out my garden playlist. So roll off or not, it's no big deal, just pop it in there. I'm also going to add a little bit of fresh ginger. It's gonna go so well. Last time I added a little bit too much. It was a little too spicy for the little kids, so this time I'm adding a little bit less. Put the lid on and let it boil for about 5 minutes. I just want to bring this to your attention that there are many benefits that this tea can bring you. From stomach problems, help with headaches, improve blood circulations, help with muscle cramps. It might even help to lower your cholesterol, boost your immune systems, detox, and common colds and flus, and just to name a few. You know, it's kind of like it's good for whatever ails you. Well, I'm not a doctor, but I just want you to be aware and just remember, too much of anything is not good anyway, so gotta have a balance of things. So if you like this simple lemongrass leaf tea, don't forget to check out my other recipe like artichoke drink. I am also working on a perilla leaf tea, so be on the lookout. So in about 10 to 15 minutes, this tea is ready. And the color is beautiful. It smells wonderful in here. It smells so... It's the spicy that makes it smell so good. I usually do not put any sugar, but I just want to show you. You can pop in a couple of rock sugars or your regular granulated sugar, and give it a quick stir if you want a little bit of a sweetness to it. Don't put too much, you might defeat the purpose of this good tea. And I like to drink it hot. It is just weird. I love the way I blow the surface, all this steam up. It's like having a sauna with your tea, and to sip it on the top. It's so good. It smells great. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give a big thumbs up to let me know. Share it with your tea lover friend. That is it, guys. If you want more Vietnamese Asian home cook, gardening, and more, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, and bye-bye.